In this video, let's see how to install Supra wheel spacers correctly.
A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Supra is by installing Toyota wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right types of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross spanner to loosen the stock bolt on the wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. A better safety measure is to jack stands to support the car. Use a cross spanner to remove the stock bolt on the wheel side, or we can use an import wrench to remove it. Before complete disassembly, install a wheel hanger so that we can easily remove the wheel. Remove the wheel and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly first. We can use a brake cleaner to remove it. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus Toyota Supra wheel spacers. The benefit of the Lightweight Plus design of BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reduced weight helps the Toyota Supra suspension system work more effectively. The overall acceleration of the Supra and the overall compact of handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. Then install the wheel hanger. Install the wheel and the extended wheel bolt. Use a torque wrench to tighten the extended wheel bolt to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the extended wheel bolt works. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and front, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommend checking the use of wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. The position of the BONOSS Toyota wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise Toyota wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.